I'm here with my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar for 2022. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. So 2 years ago, I had a Bonne Maman Advent Calendar for the year 2020, and it was a lot of fun to open every day, and I made a series of videos with the little jams and jellies that you get in this calendar. So this Advent calendar features 23 limited edition mini fruit spreads and 1 honey. Now, when I think of fruit spreads, I think of spreads that are only made from fruit and fruit juices. These are not those type of fruit spreads. These are more like jams and jellies because they are made with sugar. And this is what the back of the calendar looks like. It says, "The secret of Bonne Maman is simple. Our ingredients, perfect fruits, carefully prepared with traditional expertise and recipes, create the memorable taste of Bonne Maman. A delicious moment to cherish every time. No high fructose corn syrup," which is good, "and no preservatives or color added," which is also good. It says this is a product of France. Best if used by date, see the bottom. So it says these are best if used by June of 2023. And then it gives you a listing of all the different flavors that are included in this calendar. And I'm not going to go over that just in case someone wants to keep themselves surprised. So then it gives you nutrition facts. So per jar, the fruit spreads are 60 calories, no fat, no sodium, 16 grams of carbs, no protein. So very typical of a fruit jam or a fruit jelly. So 2 years ago when I saw these for the first time, I was in World Market and that's where I purchased it. However, this year I was looking online for advent calendars and I got this on Amazon, and they're currently being sold for $39.99 on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, there's free shipping, and this is shipped in an outer shipping box. I was reading some of the reviews and people said that their calendar was put in like a shipping bag or shipping mailer and sent out that way, but this came very securely shipped in a box, in a typical cardboard box. So there's no issues, there are no dents, nothing is wrong with this. So if I was to give this to someone as a gift, it came in perfect condition. And I will put a link to where you can purchase this calendar on Amazon in the description below this video and also in the comments section, because I know a few years ago a lot of people asked me, well, where did you get it? Where did you get it? And at the time when I was posting videos in December, it had already been sold out. So I would suggest, if you are interested in one of these Bonne Maman Advent calendars, to purchase it now, because it is one of the most popular Advent calendars and it potentially can sell out. So it appears there's a paper sleeve over this. So let's take off the paper sleeve. And this is what it looks like. They always have such really nice artwork. The last one that I had looked like a little house and you open like little windows and stuff. This one, it almost reminds me of a carousel. Like these are the carousel horses. That's what it reminds me of. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be or not, potentially. So here it has all the little doors. Can you see this is door 13, door 12, door 3, door 8. So if you're not familiar with an advent calendar, what you do is once December starts, I would go to door number 1, open up door number 1, and then I would have my jelly for the day. And then I would do the same thing for every day in the month of December, all the way up to December 24th. And on December 24th, instead of getting jam or jelly, you actually get a little honey, which is really nice. And this is what the little jars look like. I actually still have a few from the last advent calendar. I found them in my fridge. What happened was that December got just so hectic and so crazy that I really fell behind with the advent calendar. And toward the end, I just took the jams and jellies out and I put them in the fridge. And I used some of them afterward, and then I guess some of them just kind of got lost. So this was the Cherry Christmas Spice Spread. That sounds really good. And this is a 1 ounce little jar. So this is a really nice sample size for 1 or 2 people. There are 2 tablespoons of jam in here. So if you're putting it on a slice of toast, for example, and you use 1 tablespoon of jam, this would be fine for 2 pieces of toast. And this is one of the other jellies. This is a mandarin spread, so this is like a marmalade. So I'm really excited about this advent calendar, and I wanted to let you know that they are now currently available, because I got quite a few questions about these 2 years ago when I was posting videos about them. And once again, I'll put a link to where you can purchase these in the description below this video and also as a pinned comment below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.